Have you ever wondered how big companies keep track of who does what? Let us break down the concept of organizational structure. At its core, structure is about hierarchy. It defines how information flows and who makes the final decisions within a business. While there are many ways to organize, most companies rely on these four models to maintain efficiency and clear communication. A good structure helps a company scale by ensuring that roles are clear and that work flows smoothly from person to person. Smaller startups often prefer flat structures to stay agile, while massive corporations usually need rigid hierarchies to stay organized. As you can see, simplicity often correlates with faster decision-making, though complex companies may trade speed for deeper specialization. Remember that no structure is perfect. The best companies choose a framework that supports their specific long-term business goals. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics is a great step in analyzing any business. Educational content, not financial advice.